5, 4, 3, 2, 1, cut. All right, hi, I'm here. I'm title pending, and I'm here with A Ford. And basically, I'm going over the whole thing I showed Playermint because A Ford, you represent a project. What project do you represent?
Yeah, so I'm with Founding Farmers. So Founding Farmers is kind of an investment and charity group where we're trying to build on the Cardano blockchain. That's the intent here. So we're going to use funds from our NFT sale to start developing projects that need help. If you need marketing, we gotcha. If you need coding, we gotcha. We just kind of fit in there, and then any of our holders, they're the ones who get access behind the scenes. They get paid as we build, and our projects build with us. And then they help us choose charities. They help us choose projects.
There,
So that's
there,
kind of the short.
there you go. You've made yourself sound important. And with Jeremy here sounding important, and with my partner saying stop just making game content, go and reach out, do some networking. Thank you for making this video as evidence I am doing such a thing. Now the thing is that we recently got a thing from Playermint, and if you're not familiar with Playermint, I'm going to be doing more content with them. I just got their NFT, and I'm actually registered to be a playtester. Playermint is really cool. They're doing a project where they interact with actual games that are out there. So right now they're starting a play test for people that play Fortnite. I've never been good at Fortnite. I just started playing Fortnite, and it was amazing. Like I got number 2. I was so proud of myself. You know what I did? I used common sense and killed a bunch of 12-year-olds, and I was like so happy about that. Like these guys
It's
are
one of
like,
those things that's out of context. Come on. I used common sense and killed a bunch of 12-year-olds. That's
yeah,
amazing.
because like here's the thing, okay? A bunch of 12-year-olds don't know anything about like hiding, taking cover in a building, using medical treatment. There's one godly kid though. He killed me eventually with the armor. I didn't know the car would explode when you shoot it. So like in Fortnite, all the cars are like giant shields, but after a certain point in time, they just like blow up. So I did really good. I got number 2. I would have gotten, see, I was placed number 2. I would have gotten higher. This is the person that beat me. I would have gotten higher if I jumped out of the car and the explosion would have got him, because this person had a shield. The other people I ran over with the truck, that's what I meant by common sense. That's how you play a first-person shooter or a third-person shooter. Just get a car and hit them. Get a big rig. I saw this movie called Terminator 2. I'm that old. I know what a truck can do, okay? All right? These kids don't know what a truck can do, or they'd be in vehicles. Common sense. Well, this guy didn't care. This guy or gal, this player didn't care because they had like a shield. So every time I hit the shield and this other bubble, that's what they're looking at. This bubble was coming in closer. I was hitting him with the shield, but they wouldn't die from the truck because of sci-fi stuff. So dang, I'm dealing with something sci-fi here. So I realized more common sense. If every time I hit this person with a truck and they bounce, I could hit them out of the bubble and they would die. And I was scared because instead of jumping out of the truck that exploded and killed me, because I didn't know what happened when the life of the truck went to 0, that explosion could have sent them out into out of the bubble. I could have won. I could have been number 1. But anyway, why is this important? Well, they're doing this playtesting thing where basically you'll be paid in a crypto based on Cardano if you join this thing, and you just link your Epic account. Now this is not live. This is testnet stuff. So they're testing out the system. All the player data is going to their system. So that's what's really cool. So why is this important? Instead of like making your own, like we're making our own, instead of making your own, what Playermint does is basically they're connecting to things like Fortnite. They're connecting to things that are already established IPs. And what's really great about that is they're connecting to those established IPs. They don't have to worry about making a fun game. They can just connect to a game that's already fun. That's the whole thing, and that's Playermint. And now this is going to be a second video. It's good. Thanks for being here, because we're going to be making this like 2 videos now, right? So that's what Playermint is about. They're connecting already to things like Fortnite. I don't know how much I can disclose of their plans, but this is like game 1, because Epic Games right now is kind of pro-crypto versus Steam. So that's the scenario. Okay, so going through that too, when you go more through this Playermint stuff, what I really got into it was they've got these founder NFTs. I don't want to get into that this video, but you scroll down the founder NFTs, they've got a version of open source Minecraft. And so there it is right there. Like, they already have something that they're working on with other developers that is to create a version of Minecraft that's open source that they can add NFTs and or their cryptocurrency, which is PMX. Okay, so that's part ending video 1 with our guest host Jeremy. Do you have any questions, comments, or thoughts? Very important guest.
Playermint's great. I love Playermint. I've talked to Aiden quite a bit. He's amazing. If you have the opportunity, check them out for sure. The idea of having a system that backs up already played games that everyone already wants to play with NFTs with a play to earn function. It's brilliant. It's amazing. We want them to succeed for sure.
All right. Okay. All right. So we're ending it here. We're gonna do another video, and then it's gonna not be published at the same time. I'm not Netflix. I'm more like the Disney Channel or whatever Disney Channel.
Yeah, I don't know what you want me to like. I'm having fun like watching you do this and like listening to you. I don't know how much you want me jumping in and like just making a bunch of noise since you're trying to like describe projects. And instead, I'm gonna joke with you.
I might just end up paying you to come on here because this you're the best co-host I've had doing these things. It's great. All right. Okay. End. Be kind to everybody. Don't kill yourself. Remember, it's only cryptocurrency and your life savings. It's not that big of a deal, and there's gonna be a bright. We could even do news like this. There's like Terra Luna, right? The guy from Terra Luna is back. He's gonna save it, man. So Terra Luna is coming back. There you go. All right.
Do you believe it?
Better than nothing. Better than nothing. All right. Okay. Cut. All right. Hold on. Wait. 3, 2, 1.